Ready? Alright. Oh, dude. You going this line or are you gonna just...
Got it.
It's gonna be a flat landing. Woo-hoo! Almost ate it! Woo-hoo! Oh, man. Oh! Oh, shit. I was waiting for the rock up my ass right there. Yeah! I missed my entrance. Oh my god. One more and call it.
Me too?
I think so.
Think so?
I think, yeah.
I like it.
Whew. Still good up there. Didn't feel a thing under there. It's sweet. That line's all yours. Oh, this looks so good. We should do that again.
Yeah, I could.
Yell at him. Oh yeah, just scrape it all out, dude.
I don't think anybody's sent the cliff yet.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Look crooked. Oh my god. You gotta go. I don't really like this, but I'm gonna do it.
Like, holy shit, dude, he's gonna fucking Tommy off. Just through the bush.
It's doable. Should go for it before he's fucking. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.